Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Style News Network. Now, if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some gorgeous black hairstyle ideas that you can rock out this season. So if you've been finding yourself stuck in a hair rut, get ready because these hairstyles are definitely going to shake things up. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the looks spotted within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest black hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's jump right into today's video. So we start off today's video with a Gabrielle Union hair transformation. So she's getting some hair installed here. Oh, very cute layered bob hairstyle. I love the way that the bangs just frame her face. She does have the curtain bangs playing into the layers hair trend with this one. Looks like the stylist decided to go a little bit shorter. All right, there we go. Yeah, that perfectly frames her jawline. Very cute style. And y'all know Gabrielle Union always has like the prettiest smile with the dimples. And then here we have a red blunt bob style. So I'm gonna let y'all know right now, there's a lot of bobs in today's video. It is officially fall, and bobs are definitely a thing when it comes to the fall season. So here we have someone getting a makeover. Stylist is chopping that hair quite short. Oh, she's getting a pixie. This honey blonde color against her complexion, oh, so beautiful. Very cute. There is the final hairstyle. She's got the mushroom classics pixie here with that honey blonde color. Here we have someone with a reddish brown copper colored hair. Another beautiful hue for the fall season. Look how healthy her hair is. Beautiful amount of shine to the strands. And then we move into an all black pixie with the curls. followed by this natural bob haircut. So she does a twist out here. And if you're looking for something fun and cute to do with your natural hair, I think a curly bob would be a cute look. Like I said, bobs are very in right now for the fall season. And then here we have a hair transformation from Crew Cuts. Now, I'm not going to hold you. Her natural hair color is beautiful. Oh, whoa. Okay, I was not expecting that. Wow. Oh, it's her birthday. I really like that top. He gave her a pop of silver on the top. Cute little pixie makeover. I swear he made her look like about 20 years younger. Wow, she went to the right place for her birthday because this birthday makeover is banging. Makeup beautiful. Absolutely stunning. I wonder where she going tonight because you know she going somewhere. It's her birthday and she just got this beautiful makeover. I love it. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed all of today's hairstyle ideas. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.